What is up, guys? It is your boy Blessing back again with another market outlook. So, guys, we have USD I love USD guys. I don't know why, but this thing moves very beautifully. Okay, so as you can see, guys, after taking out this liquidity, the market is trading. Remember, the market is trading bearishly after doing this change of character on the daily time frame. So, as you can see, right here on a daily time frame, we took out this liquidity and took out this liquidity in order for us to continue this trend that we broke structure right here. This is our pullback. So as you can see, we broke structure right here. This is our pullback, and then after the pullback and during that pullback, we take out this liquidity, and now we saw a change of character low, and then we saw another pullback inside the change of character to take out some liquidity highs. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame to take out some liquidity highs and tap inside the PVD. If I take my premium versus discount tool and just mark it from the high to the lower, as you can see, we tapped inside the PVD, nice and smooth. Okay, so what else did we do, guys? So after tapping inside the PVD, we took out this liquidity, right? Excuse me, we took out this liquidity, and after that liquidity, we are waiting for the fifth confluence, the change of character, which we have right here. And then now we are getting a retest inside the change of character, but the market is a bit choppy, guys, as you can see. But we are starting to see some movement. It's like the market is stuck in this box right here. There's a box right here. It's like the market is stuck in this box right here. As you can see, the market is just stuck here. So if we get a breakout out of the box, I could look for more entries, more sales. I don't think it's good selling inside there, although I saw something good on the 1 hour that I talked about a few days back. I think it was the day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, or yesterday, I don't remember. Okay, I can't recall. Here on the 1 hour, this is what we have on the 1 hour. It is so beautiful on the 1 hour. Look at this, guys. We have demand here. Okay, number one, we have a change of character right here representing a bearish market. So the market structure is bearish on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is bearish. On the 1 hour time frame, it was bullish, trading upward to retest this change of character and take out liquidity highs. Which liquidity highs, guys? Look at this. There's a liquidity high here. This is also a liquidity high, and this was the final liquidity high because it is a bump in the road. So beautiful, guys. And after taking out that liquidity high, we got a fractal shift, a 1 hour fractal shift. Excuse me. So I'm going to put my cash right here. Look at this, guys. It is so simple. Look at this. I called this when I don't remember the day, but I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday. I can't recall, but as you can see, guys, we got a fractal shift right here, and then the market decided to pull back inside that demand, inside that supply. Taking out liquidity on the road. This liquidity got taken out. So now, guys, are you starting to understand the concepts of liquidity? Taking out liquidity and tapping inside that area of supply, and then from there we sold down. If you want to wait for more confluence, look at this. We have a push up we have a push we have a push up, a push down, a push up, the last push up, and then the push down right here, giving you what? A change of character. So this is your change of character now, okay? And this is now your new area of supply. So simple as that, guys. This is now your new area of supply. This blue candlestick, the buy before the sell down, and then right there you could have looked for shorts. Look at this, shorts here and shorts here. So you're just constantly making money, Stop loss above the supply and stop loss above the supply. Just making money, guys. We could be making money right now. So I'm not in the shorts, but I will get in when the market decides to retrace inside this area of supply right here. This buy before the sell down. As you can see, I don't think it did retrace there. Yeah, it didn't. It just went out. So on the 4 hour time frame, it is our change of character. Excuse me for the 4 hour time frame. It's our change of character. So right now, the market is ready to push down lower, guys. Is ready to push down lower to break this low right here. So I would love for the market to retrace before we even break this low. But still, if we break this low, it's fine. I'm gonna use this area of supply right here. I'm gonna take bro, stop it. Okay, I'm gonna take this area of supply and refine it with the change of character. See this, that whole buy before the sell down. I'm gonna take it and refine it like that, and then I could look for shorts as we come back inside that area of supply, and then I'll go to the 1 hour time frame and look for the change of character, because the market, when the market will be pulling back inside that area of change of character, inside that area of supply also, it will be trading bullishly on the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, guys, you can now look for shorts. Excuse me. You can now look for shorts. um did you guys notice we also have a 4 hour fractal shift, and it got retested so nice and the market started moving down lower? Look at this. So you have a push down, you have a push up here, excuse me, a push up, a push down, a push up. This is our 4 hour fractal shift. This low is our 4 hour fractal shift. And then after the fractal shift, what do we get? This becomes your new area of supply. This buy up before the sell down becomes a new area of supply. Look at the next candlestick. The next candlestick retested that area of supply and started selling down. So guys, money is being made on USD CHF. Although it's a bit choppy though, but yeah, bro, you can understand the concepts, like the confluences we have on USD CHF. If I go to check on USD, so beautiful, guys. More shorts on USD. I'll be looking for more shorts on USD today. I'm funding my account today. Look at this. We have a breaker structure right here, another breaker structure here, another one right here. So right now the change of character low is this one. This is your change of character low. So guys, look at this. Look at this. It's so repeated. It's so um this strategy right here, these confluences always happen in the market. Look at this. So if the market decides to drop down and then break this change of character low, excuse me, this change of character low will be our change of character, and then we look for shorts because the market is inside PVD and took out liquidity. So if it doesn't do that, it will be more beautiful, guys. If it doesn't do that, excuse me, it'll be more beautiful because the market will retest inside this area of demand. Maybe let's say it retest inside that area of demand and then shoots back up again. So right now, this low will be a change of character low, not this one. This new one will be a change of character low, and then the market will do this and then do like that, and then you have your change of character right here. So it's gonna be something like that, guys. On Euro USD is so simple, guys. Before our time frame, it's still bullish, but we got a change of character right here. I think that's a daily fractal shift, if I'm not mistaken. Let me go to the daily. Yep, it's a daily fractal shift because look at this, guys. Excuse me. You just gotta understand the concepts of the fractals. The fractal shift, the fractals, guys. We're dealing with the individual candlesticks. Look at this. We have a push up, a push down, a push up, a push down, and then the last push up, and then the market came back to break that push down, that low, to break this low, and then after breaking this low, look at the next candlestick. It retests inside there. So this is your area of supply. It retests inside there and then shoots back down again. But it wanted to do like a deeper retracement. Look at this trend right here. Look at this trend, and look at the 4 hour. Excuse me. Look at the 4 hour change of character on the daily. It is a fractal shift. It's just clearly a fractal shift. If we take like the slow, the our line, and just put it there, it will be a fractal shift. So beautiful, guys. And if you go to the 4 hour, it is right here. Yeah, that is our change of character low on the 4 hour. Or we could just focus on the 4 hour fractal shift if we break this low, so that we'll be making more money like quick. But I'm not sure of the USD CHF sells. If you should hold on them right there, I am not sure, guys. I'm not gonna lie from this point because the market has been choppy. If I go to the dollar, okay, look at the dollar. It's just trading to the downside. It's just trading to the downside, trading to the downside. After giving us a breaker structure right here, we could expect some retracement and then retest that breaker structure. If we retrace right here, like guys, if we retrace inside this buy before the sell down, that will mean more shorts on the USD CHF because it will also retrace inside this area, this change of currency, because overall the USD Swiss is a dollar. It is a dollar pair. Like it is the dollar is the base currency right here. And if you can check right here on the Euro USD, if the dollar retraces inside that supply, the Euro USD will retrace inside this area of demand because the euro is the base currency right here on the dollar. If you get what I'm saying, guys, it's simple. It is so simple, guys. It's like Kaiser Chiefs and Pirates are playing a match, and then Pirates are in their home ground, and Kaiser Chiefs came to play with Pirates in Pirates' home ground. So if Kaiser Chiefs is strong, Pirates will drop down. Do you understand me? Pirates will drop down. If Pirates is strong on their home, Kaiser Chiefs will drop down. It's so simple as that, guys. So right now we are seeing some momentum up higher, maybe to take out this liquidity. I think we will. We will take out this liquidity because after taking out this liquidity, we didn't see any reaction like a change of currency or something like that. Yeah, maybe if we take out this liquidity, we will see a change of character, and then I'll enter for more shorts on Euro USD because I am out of the shorts. Bye bye. I am about to get in again. Yeah, guys, I am so happy when the market does what I want. I like it. I like it. Look at the trend line. The trend line, clearly on the trend line, we are waiting for the third touch, which the third touch will happen by taking out that liquidity, guys. Mm-mm-mm. Look at this. If I put my pet, if I just put my pet, I'd love for the market to maybe retrace, step inside that area of demand, and then push back up to take out this liquidity high. And in addition, and take out this one. Look at this one. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm just gonna yeah. Okay, we're gonna have a dead touch right here, and then break a change of character, retest inside the change of character, and then the market pushes down lower. It will be so smooth like that and so beautiful. I was talking about this area of liquidity, guys. Excuse me. Oh, the Lord bless me. I was talking about this area of liquidity that the market could also take out and then give us a third touch. Yeah, man, so beautiful. Now, guys, look at this, guys. If I use my 5 confluences, look at this. The market structure on the 4-hour time frame clearly it's bearish now. Okay, or on the daily, yeah, on the daily it's bearish because that is a daily factor shift. Okay, so the market structure is bearish. Supply and demand, the market is pulling back inside the supply, inside this buy up before the sell down. It is pulling back inside that supply, and now we could expect more shorts, right? The PVD, guys, look at this. The 0.5 fib, the market pulled back in above the half, above the 0.5 fib, inside this area of premium, the red area, from the discount, because on the discount we're expecting buys, on the premium we're expecting sales. Guys, this is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Liquidity, guys, what do we have? Two bumps in the road. This bump, and this bump. And the first one got taken out. Excuse me. The first one got taken out. Now we're waiting for the second one. Like this is the major liquidity. Yeah. Now we're waiting for the second one, and for the fifth confluence is our change of cards. So we will get right here. It is so beautiful, guys. The market. I love trading this strategy because it always happens, guys. So beautiful. So I'll be looking for more shorts on Euro USD. If I can go to like NZD USD. Now on NZD USD, I'm not surprised because the market it looks like it's not ready to drop from that area supply. That's the reason why I'm removing it. So I think the market will just take out this liquidity. And the market is so beautiful, guys. We'll take out that liquidity and then tap inside this area of supply. I don't think we need this liquidity. Yeah, I don't think we need that liquidity. It could though. It could. You can't always predict what the market can do. So we have a change of character right here. I mean, excuse me, a break of structure there. So it's clear, guys, the market is just breaking structure, breaking structure, breaking structure, breaking structure to the upside. Now I'm waiting for the market to take out that liquidity high. That liquidity high. Tap inside this area of supply and then give us a change of character. Which is our change of character low? This one. And then a retest inside inside the change of character, and then the market could drop down again. So simple as that. This is our change of character low, guys. This one. And overall, it's no longer that one. And overall, it needs to take out all these liquidity lows. Yeah, and then go take out that liquidity, the major liquidity. Yeah. Now, if I apply my 5 confluences, they are easy as this. Market structure is bearish with the break structure right here. Number 2, supply. Um, supply and demand. We have supply here because this is a buy up before the sell down. So the market retraces inside the buy up before the sell down, which is our area of supply. And then what do we need? We need a PVD. Just mark it from the high to the low. The market is inside premium, so expecting more sales. Excuse me. liquidity. What do we have on the road? We have liquidity right here. We saw a little reaction proving that this is liquidity. Look at this. After taking out this liquidity, the market dropped down a little bit. And then we have like the final liquidity. This is like the semi-finals of liquidity. Yeah. So I need for the market to take out that liquidity and then give us a change of character right here, and then I could look for more shorts once the market retests inside that area of supply that will be created right there, guys. It's so simple. If I can go to GBP USD, GBP USD seems to be pushing up to take out this liquidity and then tap inside this area of supply. Yeah, man, it's so simple. Yeah, man. Just simple, 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 simple. Market structure bearish, because look at this, breaking structure, excuse me. Yeah, breaking structure. And then breaking structure right here on this low. This is also a breaking structure. Yeah. Yeah, that's also a breaking structure. And then right here, this is also a liquidity high that needs to be taken out. Yeah. It's just as simple as that, guys. Yeah, so simple, so simple, so simple. We don't need to overcomplicate it. Market structure bearish. Market structure bearish. I don't have my confluences right here because I've drawn my confluences on many different charts, different pairs. Yeah, I have them. There are too many. And now it's time for you guys to learn the confluences. Yeah. So yeah, the market structure is bearish. Okay, supply and demand. We have supply right here. The PVD. I'll take my PVD and mark it from this high. Wait a minute, guys. There's something wrong here. There's something wrong with my area of supply. Yes, I need to squeeze my area of supply. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll take my PVD, mark it from the high to the lowest. Now look at this, guys. It's already inside the PVD, so we should expect more sales. Liquidity. This is our liquidity. This is our liquidity, guys. And that's the supply we were talking about the second confluence. And then our fifth confluence is clearly just the change of character. After taking out those liquidity and give us a change of character, and then we could look for more shorts. So simple as that, guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Tune in on the next episode. Don't forget to leave a like and add your subscription. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload the video. Excuse me for my English. English runs out sometimes. Thank you, guys.